Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving into all the juicy leaks and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated iPad mini 7. If you've been waiting for Apple's next ultra-portable tablet, this video is for you. We'll be discussing everything from design leaks, rumored specs, potential new features, and pricing details, giving you a full breakdown of what to expect from this next-gen mini powerhouse. Whether you're an Apple enthusiast, someone looking for a compact tablet, or just curious about the latest tech, this video will give you all the details you need. If you're interested in more updates, check out the links in the description below for additional information. And of course, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest leaks and tech news. Without further ado, let's jump right into the exciting leaks of the iPad mini 7. Let's kick things off with the design and display of the iPad mini 7. According to multiple leaks, we're not expecting a huge redesign this time around. Apple seems to be sticking with the familiar iPad mini 6 look, which, honestly, isn't a bad thing. That sleek, compact chassis with premium materials is staying intact. As for the display, we're likely getting the same 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display with a 2K resolution. Now, while some of us were hoping for a 120Hz refresh rate, it looks like Apple is sticking with 60Hz for the mini lineup. But here's some good news. That frustrating jelly scrolling issue from the iPad mini 6 is reportedly being fixed with a new display controller, so you'll get smoother scrolling this time around. Next up, performance. This is where things get interesting. There's a lot of buzz about the iPad mini 7 getting a major boost in performance. While some rumors are pointing to the A16 chipset, others suggest we might actually see the A17 chip, which would bring Apple's neural engine and AI capabilities to the iPad mini. Along with that, we're likely getting 8 GB of RAM, which will be a huge improvement for multitasking. No more slowdowns when you're running multiple apps. This mini should be a lot snappier and more responsive overall. Storage is another area where we're seeing some upgrades. Apple is expected to bump the base storage up to 128 GB, which is great news for anyone who felt that the previous 64 GB option filled up way too quickly. Whether you're downloading apps, games, or streaming shows, the extra storage will come in handy for keeping everything you need without worrying about space. Now, when it comes to the cameras, we're not hearing much about significant changes. So, expect it to be similar to the iPad mini 6, functional, but nothing groundbreaking. It'll still be great for FaceTime, scanning documents, and taking the occasional photo, but don't expect it to compete with your iPhone's camera. As for battery life, things seem to be staying about the same, with up to 10 hours of use on a single charge. So, nothing new there, but it's still solid for a device this size. Alright, let's talk pricing. The iPad mini 7 is expected to launch at around $499, which is the same starting price as the previous generation. Of course, prices can vary depending on your region or if there are any promotions, so it's best to keep that in mind. But overall, it seems like Apple is keeping the pricing in line with what we've seen before. So, should you wait for the iPad mini 7? If you're already a fan of the iPad mini series, this latest version looks like a solid upgrade. With rumors of improved performance thanks to the possible A17 chip, double the RAM at 8 GB for smoother multitasking, and base storage bumped up to 128 GB, it's shaping up to be a more powerful and efficient device. The potential fix for jelly scrolling is a welcome improvement for anyone frustrated by the iPad mini SIXS screen quirks. While the display may still be limited to 60Hz and battery life likely remaining the same, the overall package remains compelling for anyone wanting a portable, feature-packed tablet. Priced around $499, the iPad mini 7 offers excellent value for those seeking an ultra-compact tablet with strong performance. If these leaks hold true, the iPad mini 7 is worth waiting for before upgrading or making your purchase decision. And these are some leaks of upcoming iPad mini 7. If you want more information about this smartphone, you'll find the links in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.